I believe that somebody that will come who knows what we have done, who has been part of what we are doing, and we continue from where we have started. If you give that opportunity, watch, in the next 4 years to 8 years, you will see what will be, what River State will be. Let one traditional ruler tell me here that, Governor, we have not seen presence in your local government. I challenge anybody, one by one. I'm not a member of APC, and I will not be. The governors came and said, look, for the unity of this country, that presidency should go to the south. The governors of APC said, look, for the unity of this country, the way the country is today, they want the unity of this country. And therefore, the presidency should go to the south. They would have as well said, no, it doesn't matter. As governors, we have the number. We can still say it will remain where it should remain. But they didn't do that. They said, no. The way we are seeing this country, we want everybody to be together. Let no one say, because I have the population, and therefore, you continue to dominate. In dominating, you need peace. Without peace, you cannot govern.